Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the MetaQuest 2 Advanced All-in-One VR headset, a powerful standalone virtual reality headset designed for people who want a fully immersive experience without needing a PC or console. This headset is built for users who want simplicity without sacrificing performance. Whether you're jumping into VR gaming, working out, exploring virtual worlds, or even watching content in a more immersive way, the MetaQuest 2 positions itself as a complete all-in-one system that's ready to go right out of the box. If you want to grab this headset for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the MetaQuest 2 immediately feels modern and refined. The design is slimmer and more compact compared to previous models, making it noticeably more comfortable for longer sessions. The front profile feels less bulky, and the improved weight distribution helps it sit more naturally on your head without feeling front-heavy. The materials feel solid and well put together, giving you confidence in its durability over time. The included controllers also feel thoughtfully designed, with a comfortable grip and responsive buttons that make interactions feel natural and intuitive. Once you put the headset on, the visual experience becomes one of the biggest highlights. The MetaQuest 2 features improved resolution and sharper displays, making everything look clearer and more detailed. Text is easier to read, environments feel more defined, and overall clarity makes a noticeable difference whether you're gaming, browsing, or watching content. The smooth refresh rate also helps reduce motion blur, which keeps everything feeling fluid and immersive. Now let's talk about performance. The MetaQuest 2 is powered by an upgraded processor that delivers fast and responsive performance across the board. Apps load quickly, transitions feel smooth, and even more demanding VR experiences run without noticeable lag. Whether you're playing fast-paced games or exploring detailed environments, the headset keeps up consistently without breaking immersion. One of the biggest highlights of this device is the mixed reality capability. This feature allows you to blend digital elements with your real-world surroundings using full-color pass-through cameras. Instead of being completely cut off from your environment, you can see your physical space while interacting with virtual objects. This opens the door to a whole new type of experience, making VR feel more interactive, flexible, and practical for everyday use. Tracking is another area where this headset performs well. It uses inside-out tracking, which means you don't need external sensors or complicated setups. Movement feels accurate and responsive, and the system tracks your position in real time. The controllers follow your actions closely, making gameplay feel natural whether you're reaching, aiming, or interacting with objects. Comfort has also been improved compared to earlier versions. The design helps reduce pressure on your face, and the adjustable fit allows you to customize how it sits for longer sessions. While any VR headset can feel heavy over time, the MetaQuest 2 does a good job of balancing comfort and stability so you can stay immersed without constantly needing to adjust it. Audio is built directly into the headset, delivering spatial sound that enhances the overall experience. You can hear direction and depth clearly, which adds another layer of realism to games and environments. At the same time, the open audio design lets you stay somewhat aware of your surroundings, which can be useful depending on how and where you're using it. Battery life is designed to support extended sessions, giving you enough time to enjoy games, workouts, or media without constantly worrying about recharging. And because this is a standalone system, you don't have to deal with cables, external hardware, or complicated setups. Everything runs directly on the headset, allowing you to jump into VR quickly and easily. Another major advantage is the content ecosystem. The Meta platform offers a wide range of apps, games, and experiences, from fitness and entertainment to productivity and social interaction. Whether you're new to VR or already familiar with it, there's plenty of content available, and new experiences continue to expand what the headset can do over time. When it comes to value, the MetaQuest 2 sits in a strong position. It's not just a gaming device. It's a complete VR system that combines performance, convenience, and versatility into one package. You're getting a headset that doesn't require additional equipment, delivers strong performance, and offers a wide range of experiences in a single device. For people who want to experience VR without the complexity of a full PC setup, this makes a lot of sense. Over time, ease of use and consistency matter just as much as raw performance. The MetaQuest 2 focuses on delivering a smooth, reliable experience every time you use it. It's designed to let you jump in quickly, stay immersed, and enjoy the experience without unnecessary friction. Overall, the MetaQuest 2 Advanced All-in-One VR headset is a powerful and well-rounded device that brings together performance, comfort, and immersive technology into one complete system. If you're looking for a simple, high-quality way to step into virtual reality without dealing with wires or complicated setups, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.